today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flash fill in Microsoft Excel. Flash fill is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to streamline their data organization tasks in Excel. Whether you're dealing with names, addresses, or, like in our case, brand names and sizes, flash fill simplifies how you manage information by automating the data separation process. Let's dive into this practical example together. Imagine you have a list in the first column of your spreadsheet that contains both the brand name and size of a product. In this scenario, our goal is to separate these two pieces of information into their individual columns without doing it manually, which could be both tedious and time-consuming. We'll start by focusing on the brand names. In a new empty column, I want you to type just the brand name of the first entry. This sets the pattern that Excel will follow. Once you have typed it in, it's time for the magic moment. Simply press the keys Ctrl and E on your keyboard together. This command activates flash fill, allowing Excel to automatically recognize the pattern you've set and instantly fill in the rest of the column with the correct brand names from your list. This process not only saves time, but also reduces the potential for human error that accompanies manual data entry. Once you've successfully extracted the brand names, you can apply the same steps to the sizes. Move over to the next empty column on your spreadsheet. Here, enter the size of the first item in your list, just like you did with the brand names. Ensure the size is isolated in a single cell. When you're ready, press Ctrl and E once more. In a matter of moments, the size information for each entry will appear, precisely mirroring the same pattern established by your initial entry. And there you go. What could have been a drawn-out process is now completed in a matter of seconds with flash fill. This function is a powerful addition to your Excel toolbox, especially when you work with repetitive data entry tasks. Before you go, don't forget to give this a try on your own Excel projects. Experiment with different kinds of data and see how flash fill can fit into and enhance your workflows. Also, we'd love to see how you're using this feature, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, please share them in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment with any feedback or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks, just like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.